Good. Today we're gonna be doing a press tune-up day again. We're just gonna be doing walking. We got no cleats on, just shoes. So we really are intentional with where our feet are. You could always get better without going full speed, just walking.
Big ass short, you a little nigga, you can't wear that size.
You just wanted to say some shit.
Man.
Say some smart shit.
Oh my God.
Let's do our kick series. 45 kicks. Here, 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 here. 45 more, 45 more, 45 more, 45 more. Here, good. Yeah, more 45 this time. Let's see how many steps you can do it in. But that don't mean reach too far. Kick. Faster feet though. Kick, kick, kick. Here, 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 here. They say he be taking steroids. YouTube comments.
Same shit?
Nah, step kick, outside foot, no rocket. Come on. I said out, step, kick. Step, kick, 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 step, kick. Let's start over. You off balance a little bit? Put it on for the city, huh?
Look, I ain't gonna lie.
Put it on for 318.
Hey. Ain't got no endo.
Huh?
It's awful.
Yeah. Step, back, kick. Yes. Step, back, kick. Yes. Step, back, kick. Step, back, kick. Don't drag. Step, back, kick. Don't drag. Step, back, kick. Step, back, kick. Step, back, kick. Bend the bucket. That's the little things. Step, back, kick. Step, back, kick. Step, back, kick. Weight on the balls of your feet, inside balls of your feet. Step, back, kick. First couple ones, I'm just gonna have you go lateral, and then I'm gonna tell you to step back kick or just step kick. Pretend you have inside leverage for this one. Weight on the balls of your feet. Read. Here, 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 here. Step back kick. This is where your eyes should be. Read. Here, 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 here. Step back here. Step. Here, 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 here. Step back here. Come on. It's just visualizing. It's visualization. That's all it is. Step here, 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 here. Step back here. Don't guess, don't hop. Use on your heels.
Oh yeah.
Last couple. I'm not overcoaching. I'm not saying shit. When you figure it out. Your feet, every time I slide, has been dead today. You're supposed to keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping every single time. Two more. Last one.
Fold straight, just whatever happens.
Heels.
Yeah.
Outside?
Man, I'm not
Laugh.
laughing.
You smiling.
Hell,
You smiling. Laugh. That's a good rep. Laugh.